Let me show you how to transfer apps to your new iPhone. You can either transfer all of them over or pick and choose which ones. I'll show you how to do it. Now, the first thing we need to do on your old iPhone is head into the settings and make sure everything is backed up. So essentially go to your iCloud backup here, and within the iCloud backup, you need to make sure everything is backed up recently. Just tap on backup now, and within your backup, you need to make sure everything is turned on. So if everything is turned off, just turn it back on. This will give you one option essentially to back up and restore everything, including all those apps on your new iPhone. So after it's done backing up on your new iPhone, you'll see something that looks like this. It says transfer your apps and data. You can either choose from an iCloud backup, and we just did that iCloud backup, so you can essentially bring all those apps over, or from another iPhone, and it will transfer the data directly from the old iPhone to the new one. Now, you have some other options as well. If you don't have all of the apps on your new iPhone, you can just go to the App Store, make sure you're signed into the same account here. And on here, we can always just go to your purchase history and see your purchase history. Let me use my Face ID here again. Use your purchase history here to see any apps that you have purchased, either paid for apps, but you can also just go to apps here at the very top, go to my apps, and you can see all of the apps that you have ever downloaded on your iPhone or any older iPhone. You can also choose not on this iPhone to essentially find ones that you previously downloaded. If you want to get them back, just tap on that little drop down arrow here, and it will start to download that back onto your new iPhone.